Ideal replacement. This VVT solenoid is professionally engineered to match the function and performance of the stock part on specific vehicle applications. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure a long service life. Excellent value. The VVT solenoid is built to perform like original equipment quality at a competitive price. Vehicle tested. Has undergone on vehicle testing to ensure proper fit and performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement engine variable valve timing, VVT, solenoid is precision engineered to match the fit and function of the original VVT solenoid. Made of quality materials for a long service life, it has been tested for proper performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome, worked great. Put in 2008 Chevrolet Colorado. Because truck was using lots of fuel. And had hesitation and also sometimes took a few times to start the truck to get our unknown. Put this part in just like ohm and getting great gas mileage again. Note took a day or so of driving to get it set right with computer and before installation disconnected battery.